This is the Malouf M as in mother 555 adjustable bed. It's made in Thailand, so it's not made in China. And this is one of our most popular sellers. Now what makes it a popular seller is it does most everything an adjustable bed you would want out of an adjustable bed without being too expensive. It has full head and foot adjustability, which is the main thing you get an adjustable bed for. Easy to use buttons. They are raised buttons on the remote, which I'll demonstrate the buttons in a minute. You get four preset positions. You get massage legs, massage upper torso, and 3 intensity levels. You have a timer on those, either a 10-minute, 20-minute, or 30-minute timer on the massage. You have one button that flattens it out. Like I said, it's a very quiet bed. It's a very popular bed because of the price, and it has a very good remote, easy to use. Now, funny, most of the people that we sell these beds to are going to be 50 and above. So the lettering on the remote is very small. So most of these people that are above 50 are going to need glasses to see it. But what's great about an adjustable bed with raised buttons is you'll get familiar with where the buttons are. You won't have to look at it. You'll know where your head up and foot up, head down and foot up buttons are. You'll learn where your memory positions are. And that's the main thing you're going to use. Occasionally you'll want to turn on massage. Okay, so you'll have to look down. It's the buttons at the bottom and you can adjust there. But overall, this is a great adjustable bed. Okay, here's the details on the remote. These 4 buttons in the circle here are your main controls to raise the head up, lower the head, raise the foot up, lower the foot. Those are going to be your main buttons. And of course, if you're feeling the button in the dark, you'll know where that circle is and you'll know which side is up and down, legs and head and legs. Easy to figure out. You have a 1 button flat, so when you get up in the morning you want to flatten it out, you can flatten it. So I can hit it here and it starts flattening. Now if I push it again, it stops. That's kind of nice, because what if you start flattening and you realize, whoops, I don't want to do that? You can hit it again and it stops. You have 1 button here that raises the head and feet both simultaneously. This one lowers the head and feet simultaneously. So that way when it's flat, you get in the bed, you can just raise it up and they'll both come up until you get it close to where you want it. And then you can fine tune it here. Now, these buttons here at the top are your memory positions. It's really hard to see. The lettering is very small. You'll need glasses if you were, holding it yourself. But it says 0 gravity here. It says TV read, anti-snore, and lounge. And then memory. You can program these 4 on the outside to your own positions. Now, a lot of companies will advertise anti-snore. Oh, wow, that's got the anti-snore feature. It's just a different position. It's going to move it to a different position. So anti-snore is really mostly marketing rather than an actual something that prevents anti-snore. It's a programmable position. You program it where you want. Program your lounge wherever you want it. Program your TV watching wherever you want it. Program your 0 gravity. Say that's your sleeping position. It has a lock button to lock it out to keep people from pushing and playing with buttons like children. Now, down here at the bottom is your massage. Here's your back massage, your foot massage. And it has a timer. Now, if you'll notice, I hit this little one in the middle. It sets it at 10 minutes. If I hit it again, it sets it at 20 minutes. If I set it again, it sets it at 30 minutes. So it'll vibrate either 10, 20, or 30 minutes. You have an under bed light. See, it looks like a light. That's a light under the bed. Most people don't use it. Occasionally I hear of someone who says, yes, they'll use that and get up in the middle of the night to go to the bathroom. So illuminating the floor to get out of bed can be nice. This is the on-off button of massage. So for example, if it's massaging and you want to go ahead and cut it off, you can just hit that button, it cuts it off. This is the type of massage. Let me turn the foot on. This sort of is a pulsating. So it's vibrating and then it's stopping, then it's vibrating, then it stops. So it's pulsating. Oh, by the way, in massage, you also have 3 intensity levels. So you click it once, click it again, a little more intense, click it again, more intense, click it a 4th time and it quits. Click it again and it quits. Or 2 times and it quits. Oh no, that's a different setting. So you're getting a different vibration now. It's slowly coming up and slowly going down. So it's changing a little bit. Most of these things are just fancified ways of playing with your bed, but 9 out of 10 people seriously do not use massage. You might find leg massage to be kind of nice when you come in at first get into the bed. So you would just hit the foot, probably the foot massage, and let it vibrate your legs. Okay? Well, anyway, we're going to cut all that off, and we're done. This is your remote. Pretty simple to easy to use. Very nice remote, not terribly big. Easy to find buttons. That's what's important. You can find your buttons. You'll learn where they're at without having to turn the light on to read it. There is your M555 Malouf adjustable bed.